Adeline, and today I just got my chickens. They're in the background, and I'm getting chickens for 4-H, and I'm going to show y'all like what to do and stuff. So first, we're gonna show you the chickens. This what they look like, and then we're gonna grab a chicken, and we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna dip their beaks into the water. Like that, and then you can put them down. And then you grab another one, and you just do the same thing.
So it is day one of the chicken project for Adeline. These are broiler chicks that she will be showing. She will have them for 6 weeks. And on March 21st, she goes and shows them. Today is just day one. These little chicks are 2 to 3 days old. They were shipped. They've had a long ride. And so what we do is we have them in their brooder container. This is just a way to keep them safe and contained. And we have our heat lamps. It's a nice, warm 98 degrees in here, or 96 degrees. We have our paper plates full of chicken starter. We have 2 water containers. And these guys are happy. They are moving. They're eating. They're drinking. That's exactly what we want to see.
Hey, so my name's Adeline. We have our chickens in the background. We're all ready. We're gonna be posting weekly videos, and just make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want. Hit the thumbs up. And I hope y'all follow us along. Bye.